Welcome back, and we're going to go picking through the garden today. And this is my little fountain here. And what we got over here, see how the lettuce doing. It's popping up slowly, so I think it's been almost about 2 weeks. Anyway, let's go down through the garden. Okay, I watered. See, I already told you I watered today. And see what we got here. Starting with the watermelons. And no, it's not. It's green. It's not ready. This one here. Let's see. Well, those leaves on that thing there is. Oh no, that's from another side there. See, that's brown. That's green right there, though. That little noggin there. I really want to cut it open. Interesting. I'll give it another 2 days. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Nothing here. Anything over here? Nothing over here. I noticed when I was doing my video, I missed a red one down here, kind of red. And I see another one too. Yeah. We're picking these. Yep. Oh, that one got a hole in it. I'll have Shelly decide if she wants to keep that or not. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Nope. I'm not expecting to pick a whole lot today. Okay, pepperoncini, I'm picking that one. Yeah, see now. I got some green plants here with flowers on it, the pepperoncini on that side there. This side here too. Let me take that one off. Oh, I see a larger one. Getting a lot of pepperoncinis, that's for sure. I don't like them that much. I like them. I like them on my sandwiches. I haven't been eating very many sandwiches. I guess I might start buying some lunch meat. Okay, those peppers. There's a bee out here on these sage. Let's see what we got here. Let me hit the jalapenos first. They're kind of a decent size, not large. I got plenty of jalapenos in the fridge. Oh, wait a minute. Here's a large one here. I'm picking that one. Got a lot of sunshine today. I'll give the rest of those 2 more days. See what I got on this plant here. I like for them to get larger. There's a large one here. I'll pick that one there. Bugs doesn't seem like they're bothering it too much lately. So, let's see what we do. Okay, let me look at these yellow peppers here. I was disappointed when I bought these peppers, and I told you that before, I think. I actually love them better than jalapenos. I really need to try to save some seeds from these. See if I can regrow them. Bunch of little ones on there. I'll pick that one. I'll pick that one. And they're easy to pull off, a lot easier than jalapenos. Just snap right off. Okay. Rest can wait. See if I got any tomatoes on this side. Got me a stepping stone here. Don't see nothing red. Oh, over here I do. This great one, I'm gonna pull that one. That's a great tomato. Oh. Shelly told me Shelly was getting a haircut today. She said her hairstylist said that they got a football field of plantings, and their stuff didn't do so good this year. Whole football field worth of vegetables. They said it just didn't do anything. It's a great tomato. Couple of cherries, tomatoes. Let me go ahead and get these off. I'm about running out of them. I've been picking them, eating them. There's a bee buzzing around me. Okay. Guess that's all I'm gonna get off of that one for now. And this thing here, zucchini plant, I noticed got some more buds on it, but that female, the flower's dying out. See that fat stem there? And then I noticed we got a male plant over here too. Wonder if I should brush them all together. Not for sure how to do that. And there's the, whatchamacallit, Girolosum artichoke. They got pretty heads on them, but that's about it. See, I don't see no red tomatoes here. Tomorrow I'm going to fertilize. I was planning on holding off, but I don't know. I might go ahead and fertilize anyway tomorrow. Let's see, it's pretty warm out here right now. Let's see what we got here. Huh. Am I on internet? Nope. We was at the store and I was hooking up two other stores' internet. Okay. Oh, it's not loading. Anyway. Feels pretty warm out. I'll just keep that running. There he goes. Okay, it's just no wind. It's 67 out, 62% humidity, 67 Fahrenheit. Last updated 14 minutes ago. I thought it was warmer than that because that sunshine, it makes you feel warmer.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Okay. I did bring out my other clip I've been planning to bring out. It's not as large as the other one. I thought it was. Anyway, I'm going to use it somewhere. Still getting jalapeno peppers here. Mm-hmm. Oh, I see a big beefsteak tomato. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's green. There's a jalapeno there. I'm going to keep that on. This one here only got flowers, so we'll just shove this back in here somewhere. Okay, I got a red one here. Look. It's no good. No good. Give it to the deers. Sometimes we get foxes around here too. So whoever wants to eat it. Oh, I see some more red. Red enough for me. No holes in it. Here's another one. There you go. Perfect. Not real large, but... Okay. Look at that big old fat yellow pepper, jalapeno. Woo-hoo. Must have missed that last time. Got some more tomatoes about to change colors. See what we got here. Nope, nothing worth picking on that one. Not on that one either. It's my watermelon vine. Just trucking on. Shelly already looked at the peppers. He said just keep them on. He's not growing too big. I don't think anybody had good luck this year. At least we're getting something. We're getting quite a few tomatoes though, and I throw quite a few away to the animals. I give them plenty of water. Look at that big old tomato. It's not a big steak either. What kind was that? I forget. I said Jet Star. I'll buy more of those. I hate this one here. This rugged. No ruggards. Okay. Every time I water, I refill that pail over there. That water trough for the animals. I freshen that up. I checked the midweek plant today. It's not ready to take the seeds out yet. Seems pretty green still. So let me close this up. Shelly was saying, when the weather start getting colder, maybe we can start covering this barrel garden up, since we got this frame around it, and maybe we can try to expand the growing season on this. So we usually use something like moving rugs for things up, for frost and stuff. So that'll be next in the planning. Put this down here. I need to put this one somewhere too. I'll just hook it here for right now. I need to buy some larger clips. Okay. Now what we're going to do is run over to the strawberries. Okay, now we see what we got here. Yep, I'm picking that one. Oh, I left my cutters over there by the barrel, I think. Anyway, I'll just pull them off. Okay, one off that one. None of this one. Okay, I see some on this one. There's one here. Nice size. 2. This one here. 3. I need to cut those leaves, but I don't have my cutter on me now. Okay. Got 3 altogether. Strawberries. Okie dokie. Well, I hope you like what I have so far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and at least come back and watch once in a while. The more people watching, the more likes I get, the more I can do with my videos. So thanks for watching. Later.